What's up, Pickle Peeps? Did you know that you can use Canva frames for videos? Oh yeah, I'm going to show you a super quick way to add a ton of visual interest to your marketing promotion photos and maybe like gifts going on in email. And it's only going to take you about 60 seconds or less here in Canva with a quick and dirty Canva trick. So let's get going here. Start the timer. No. Don't start the time. Alrighty, Pickle Peeps, let's jump right to it. I'm going to show you guys how to make awesome posts like this. And I don't know if you knew this, and comment below if you knew this ahead of time, but I did not know that you can totally drop videos into frames. Say what? And I am a total mega fan of frames, of mockups, and doing it all right here in Canva. So today we're going in on frames. So I just opened up here a regular old Instagram post. You can put whatever kind you want in here. I'm actually going to move me to the other side. There we go. All right. So we're going to start out here with this trick by going into the Elements tab, and then we're going to go down to Frames. Frames, these are the ones where you just drag in. Usually I'm dropping photos in here. I'm dropping products in here. I don't usually drop videos. But this is going to be such a neat effect that you can do here. So you can go ahead and search in your frames, and you can search for things like computers. You can get all these cool windows right here. You can get actual computers going in, but I want to do this one for a phone. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my phone right here. I'm going to make it bigger. And like if you had, like this is a really cool thing to do if you take like screen capture of your website, you can have scrolling on your website or something like that. But I don't have any of those kinds of videos right now. So we're going to go now back into Elements, and we're going to grab a video that you can post in here. Now, one caveat, Pickle Peep, when you are taking video like from Canva or whatnot, a lot of the orientation in Canva video is horizontal. It is YouTube ready video orientation, which does not fit well inside a phone. So I was looking first for like clocks to do like a countdown. I wanted like an old school movie countdown. Would not work. But I did find a kick-ass hourglass. So I'm just going to come here and drop it in. And what do you know? I think that is freaking fantastic. Now, if the element that you want is in the video that you want to focus on is not directly in the center like this one it is, but say it wasn't, you can double click on your video and you can move your screen wherever you want. So if we wanted it like that, don't really do anything with our bokeh lights. I'm going to put our hourglass right back in the center. Only thing better for me was if it was blue. I don't know. It's seriously giving me like Wizard of Oz vibes. I don't know. Wicked Witch of the West. So we have here our hourglass going, which makes me think time is running out. So say I had a sale going on and it was like the last chance time running out on the sale. I would then go ahead and bring in a text, and I might be, I mean, you could be as simple as time is running out. There are days I am genius with my copy. There are days I got no copy game at all. You could do a time is running out and put a link or put any kind of your deal on here. My brain just went good to the last drop. That's coffee, not sand. We could do something like in here, our sale lasts, our sale is gone with the sand, or something like that. I don't know. I'm going to totally admit that's pretty bad right there. And let's say so, but we're going to go with it. So that's bad, really bad copy, but we're going to go with it. And then just to finish this out, I might go and grab my logo and pick up the logo. Boom. Put it in the bottom. And maybe I would put my link, or I would put my link in my text or something like that. And ta-da, you have a very, very valid social post here. So you can do this. Now, cool things. So this one right now, it's 23 seconds long with all of that sand going. We don't have to have it be that long. We can change it up and we can clip our video. So I'm going to pause. Say I only want 5 seconds. So I want to make this a GIF. So find where like 5 second is, or we can go right in here and make it 5 seconds. Boom. Now our video is only going to be, why does it say 15? Oh, because I have 2 of them in here. That's why. So say we had time where it's running out with that. So since I have 2 in here, it's going to show for both of them. That's funny. So again, say I just wanted it to be like 5 seconds. And you would only have the 1 post there. Then we can go ahead and we can come over here, hit share, and then come down to download. Well, I guess you could transfer it right over to your social, but if I want to like put it in a social, put it in emails, I would want to save it as a GIF. So it's going to automatically go as video. If you have Canva Pro, which I super highly recommend, then you can download straight GIFs. If you are on Canva free, first off, make sure all of your elements you're using are on the free side, and then you would download it as the MP4 video and then upload it into something like Giphy or Tenor. So if I want to save it as a GIF, save all pages, blah, 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 to hit download and be good to go. And there we go, Pickle Peep. That is our super quick tip of the day. I don't know. Let me know, Pickle Peep, did you know that you can drop videos in frames? Because this is something that I learned very recently. It blew my brain, and I was a little bit like, well, part of me is like, well, no, duh. And the other part of me is like, no, this is awesome. Must tell the Pickle Peeps because it's great. And it makes life so much easier. A very, very simple, quick, fun trick to do right here. And that's it. If you enjoyed these, if you want more quick Canva tips, like the 3-minute and less variety, then let me know. Comment down below. If you like them with more explanation, with a slower walkthrough, I want to know that too. I want to know which kind you guys are appreciating. And if you really like this tip, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We post daily tips and tricks for handmade marketing. I'll see you on the next one, Pickle Peep.